A very good afternoon. My name is Ajinkya Prakash Panchal.
My name is Omkar Mohan Tiwari.
And my name is Swapnil Vinayak Bhatkar. Hello friends, this is our mega project. Name of our mega project is Android based wrist proprioception system. The purpose of this project is to investigate the development of software required for the wireless proprioception device. The motivation of this project is to allow patient monitoring at any instant, at any place for a person with known oxygen level problems. Let it be any rural area or urban area or homely use. Development of our software on Android platform was a more desirable for the purpose of multiple purpose. Since our motive was to create a system which will be used for doctors with a less medical setup and economical support, we used commonly available devices. We used oximetry sensor LM35 to determine necessary data. Because of the low cost and easy connectivity, we used Bluetooth Low Energy, that is BLE, as a medium. Due to availability purpose, we used the Android mobile phone device to display the result. With a desired Android application, our project comes in a big picture form.
Start.
Okay, let us come to the flow of our project. We have used LM35 as a temperature sensor and a heartbeat sensor 1157. LM35 senses the temperature in degrees Celsius. For every degree rise in temperature, it gives change of 10 millivolt in output. It is a 3-pin sensor. The 3 pins are VCC, output and the ground. Heart rate sensor is dependent on the principle of light modulation by blood flow through the finger at each pulse. Oxygen in blood absorbs the IR rays, so the reflection of IR rays varies. Sensor gives inverting output and produces a TTL output. This data is gathered in analog pins of Arduino. The pin 0 of Arduino is assigned for the pulse sensor and the pin 5 of the Arduino is assigned for the temperature sensor. The raw data is processed in Arduino. In Arduino, temperature and the signal are stored in separate variables. The signal of LM35 is converted into temperature by a formula. The formula is the digital value is multiplied by 5 and 100 and then it is divided by 1024. Obviously the 1024 is the sampling data. Now for the pulse sensor, it is compared with a predefined threshold. It crosses threshold. When it crosses threshold, then it is checked whether it is noise or pulse. If it is a pulse, then it is stored in the variable. Also, the running signal is stored in the variable. When the both temperature and the heartbeat rate is acquired, they are fitted in a data frame. The data frame is sent over a serial port. Now the main port. This frame is sent to the mobile device through HC05. As I have mentioned, HC05 is the medium for our project. It is obviously a Bluetooth device. This frame is decoded into different body parameters which are gathered by the sensor. Those parameters are namely temperature, heartbeat and the value of the signal. Okay. So friends, let us start with the demo. So already the program is loaded in Arduino. This is HC05 and for now we can see the HC05 is blinking, which indicates that it is not connected to any other device. Also, the pulse sensor is showing a red glow, which means it is given a 5 volt supply. Let us start with the Android application. This is our application. So we have opened it. It is asking for the permission to allow the Bluetooth. I have allowed the Bluetooth permission. Now let us start with the connection. This is HC05 shown here. This is the MAC ID of HC05. Now here we can see the HC05 is blinking twice. That means it is not blinking continuously as it was. So that means it is connected to our device. Now let us see the view of our Android application. Okay. It is randomly telling any data. Temperature is showing 32. Signal is showing 0. Okay. Signal is 0. So let me put my finger on the sensor. Now the signal is glowing, and also the LED is glowing with respect to my heartbeat. Now it is giving the output. Mm. Okay, it is not. Let me stop it. So we can see here my heartbeat was 77, signal was 0. As it is, I have mentioned, it is a TTL output. It will show the output of 900 at the very signal where we have found the pulse. Here it is showing my heartbeat 80 and the signal 946. Same way it is showing my heartbeat here 78. Okay, so let us check whether it works if I change the temperature. Let me connect the device first with HC05. Okay, the connection has established. Now I am putting my finger on the LM35 and see temperature is increasing. It has increased to 33 from 32. 32 was the earlier temperature. For now it is seeing 32, 33, 33 and continuous output of 33. And signal, as we can see, it is 0 here. And same is the bit rate. Both are the same, both are 0. So is the output we can see on our serial monitor. Okay, so my friend has put a finger. So is the output. And same is the output on the serial port. So bitrate is around 77.
Pause कर.